Hi there, my name is Beth Sinclair, and I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in Michigan. And this is my Saturday video. This is a real easy card that I think looked really cute. I'm going to show you how I made this. Um, what I used was you need the Winchelley treetops for the bird, to cut him out. And then here's the stamp set, and there's the bird. And these, you also got to use them to cut this out and color it. And then my sentiment came from this one, Greetings of the Season. Okay. This one I did get from the online store, but these will be in our regular store starting September 4th, which is probably past since that's when I plan on posting this video. The only difference I'm going to do, this is white, I'm going to do it in very vanilla instead. I forgot the reason being, but I just think I'd like it better. Probably because it matches the brown shades. But actually, it's not brown, it's going to be gray, the next one. But let me show you how I did that bird. Okay. I'm gonna just color a little bit of one. And then I'm gonna pull out what I had done already, like everybody else. This. Ink this up with my Memento black. Memento black. Momentum. Oh boy. Right. And then kind of oops, don't move it. Make sure there's nothing on the edge. Although it doesn't really matter because you're cutting it out. Isn't that perfect? It dropped. Okay, so there we go. We got bird. Now, first, these are the colors I used in the one that I'm about to do for you. Peach pie light. I I forgot the brand, the other thing too. I got a couple more things. Well, I'm not going to do the whole bird. All right, I'm going to do that for his little beak and his little tootsies here. And then I did crumb cake, light and dark there. This was going to be the same color as that, which is the big part of the berry is light um cherry cobbler, and they're a little dot of the dark one on the little end there. All right, so I did that. Now I'm going to make him gray. First of all, belly. Belly's a little yellow, little pinks, kind of sometimes it's a little bit yellow here. That's the belly. There you go. Now, I was looking at some of the designer paper and it kind of shows us white in the middle, so that's why I was trying to mimic that. Light and dark, this is gray granite. Okay, so you take the gray and you just go on the lines a little bit. Little here, 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 with the dark. Okay, let that process. Da, 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 da. I can't think of a time, one of those timers from those shows in the 70s, the what do you call those things? Game shows. All right, there we go. That's what kind of on my mind, but it didn't sound like it. All right, now I take the light one and you fill it in. And I went like halfway. Little circles helps it so it doesn't look like it's a straight line. And that's kind of what I did with the bird. See? So just to give you an idea. You can color it in solid if you want to. You can do whatever you'd like. But I kind of like it like that with a little bit of white in the middle. Now, here's my card base. All my little things here. This is cherry cobbler. And of course, it's 8.5 by 5.5. Scored at 4.25. Do you ever pull a piece of 8.5 by 11 and you want to make a card, but then you got that other piece that's the same size and you only need to make one card? That happens to me. And I'll show you what I do. I fold them and I put them in here. See, these are all extra card bases in case It's really great if you're low on a color and you think, oh, geez, I want to use the last couple of those. Look in here and you'll find it. But it's all this, it's no, no fun folds. It's a straightforward card base A2. That's all those are. All right, so we got that one. Then I've got uh, two pieces actually of very vanilla. These are 4 by 5 1/4. One's going to go on the front, and one's going to go inside. I think we'll do the inside one first. That way I open the card, no, I'm not doing it upside down. Okay, glue, glue, glue. I have a brand new glue that's got the green cap somewhere in this room or on this table. I just don't feel like looking for it right now. Clean my desk and it's clean until the next time I want to craft, and then I got to start all over again. Okay, just kind of evenly up there. Now this one. Yeah, like that. Then I also want to show you how I organize my gems. I'm kind of proud of it. If anybody else have an issue with, organizing them, wants an idea. See, like, oh, that's pretty. I like the gray with the cobbler, and I wanted the cherry cobbler to match the little berries. So this is how we're gonna go. Just kind of even them up. Now I'm gonna put a sentiment on the bottom, so I don't want to have it too far there. Just kind of figure out where you want it. All right, I like that. Now we grab our dimensionals. And I'm gonna put some on here. Probably 4. Put these in a neat little pile. Okay, and then it's gonna go. You better to put one first, and then you can kind of, I just want to make sure there's room for the bird in the middle. Yeah, that looks good right there. Well, this one I need to trim. Let me get my scissors go. Okay, I'm looking at these to line these two up, and I want to have equal between those two as well. All right, and then he's going to get his dimensionals on two. And you know what? My one is here. Put them on the berries. Includes 2 of them. And maybe the tail a little bit. Oh, that is a tail, right? Yeah, tail. It's all right. Okay. And then he I'm just putting right in the middle. There. Now for my sentiment. I just did Merry Christmas. And I figured the two colors I used to color these things is spruce, um, shaded spruce and cherry cobbler. So I figured we do those colors. This is such a fun Sam set. I like it because it's got inside and outside stuff. You can build things, build sentences and stuff. Here's Mary and here's Christmas. Um, Making sure they look straight. Yeah. No, that's fine. Oh, that's good right there. Okay, so this is going to be green. And then going out here. And then this one will be the cherry pepper. Oh, and wrong side. Hmm. There, Christmas. Hey, here, there. Next, I'm going to do the outside with dimensionals. The dimensions. This is my gems. They are labeled. This is earth tones. This is the set that came with the bundle for the one we're using today. And I've got Fall Mini 2024, and this is what the bundle came from, earth tones, and then I got the colors of what's in here. And I did this for, most of the current stuff that I have, anything I really use. I got Spring 24, Fall Mini 23. I think that's as far as I've done, 23 and 24, and there's some oddballs. Like this is still in the catalog. I don't have any room for it, and so forth. But so, and these labels are cool because I made these with this little toy I got. I got this from another video. It's a label maker, and it wasn't very expensive. I forget how much it was, but I got it off Amazon, and it hooks up with your phone. And you type what you want on your phone, you hit print, and it prints out these cool little labels. I've been going crazy with this. Every stamp set is labeled in here right now. Um, my embossing folders, everything I'm labeling. So anyways, take this one out. Oh, and I put these in little tiny bags because I find that if you just leave them like this and going, in and out of the little sleevey, it was knocking them off. So I'm like, oh geez, I don't want that. Pick the pick tool, and I'm just going to use the green here. I'm not going to go hunting down something with the other color, just because I like these green ones. There. All right. And then the inside. Now, what can we put in the inside? Let me see. Here's my DSP. This is, well, they had more white on these, but this is where I got the idea of putting white on them. And I have this little piece here. It's got a bunch of little guys on them. And it appears I can get a strip to put on the side. They're too, well, they'd be great for fussy cutting, but they're too small for the dies, so you can't do that. And also I have this green right here. I want it to look something different. So I'm gonna go to this. And that card is 5.5. So you want 5.25. Let's go to 5.25 up here. Yeah, down here, 5.25. Right. And then I'll put a little bit more. But I don't want it so thick. It's blue, blue, blue over my card. No, no, no. There. Put this one up here. Yeah, I think that looks nice because it brings the birds on the inside. Granted, it can be a little skinnier. Maybe I can trim a little bit more. I don't want to get their beaks. There. Oh yeah, that's perfect. I almost got a beak. Or if you want, you can do this too. I like the birds better. Normally, I don't use the stick of a piece of DSP for something like this, but this is different. Wanted it to bring the inside out. And there we go. So this is our Christmas card, just like this one. And I showed you a couple little tips on the way, which is something I normally don't do because usually I don't have tips to show. So, all right. Well, thank you for watching my video. Have a nice weekend. And if you're interested in shopping from me, I love your business. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.